Little orphans, as a holy man, I must confess that when I came to America, I forgot the dialect of Espanol. And Nacho Mama only knows a few little words. And so I invited my sister up from the homeland to translate for me. This is my sister. Sister. In Spanish, that means sister. She is a nun. A nun. Very difficult to... A what? Say that again.
Monka.
A monka. She likes to talk a lot in Spanish. I don't understand. I just nod a lot. It seems to make her very happy. Feliz sister. That means happy sister. Shut up. Okay. In Spanish, that means shut up.
¿Por qué me trajo aquí? No entiendo. No entiendo.
She does not understand, and neither do I. But sister, I want to introduce you to a friend of mine.
¿Por qué me trajo aquí?
Again, shut up. I want to introduce you to my friend and my collaborator in crime. Diamond Dale. Diamond.
Estaba trabajando por el señor en México y ahora estoy aquí.
How you doing?
Oh, she says, it is nice to meet you, you handsome, burly American man.
No sé quién
Hey,
eres,
sister.
pero
Have you seen a cat crawl? Little, like a, come on.
Que Dios me bendice, no entiendo lo que está pasando.
She says that when she sees your handsome face, she prays to the God above to help her because you are such a guapo man, a Spanish, handsome, strong man.
Pues era mi hermano, pero no sé
This is
qué
a Bowflex body, right here.
ese traje. Pues, ¿qué hiciste con mi hermano?
She says she's thinking about leaving the nunhood because you are such a studly man, and she was hoping that Diamond Dale will put the big rock on her little finger.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Been
My
saving this for
sister.
someone special right there.
I may have messed up a few words, but that is okay because God knows her heart. But this morning, we have a job to do. We need to go into the house of Carissa Collins.
Collinzo.
Collinzo in Spanish, that means Collins.
See,
And she needs to have a whipped cream hairdo.
baptism.
Baptism
Mm-hmm.
by whipped cream.
That'll be good.
She has a few friends in the room, and they are vicious little girls. It is very important. Muy importante. In Spanish, that means. I don't know what that means.
Very important.
Yes.
Tay.
Very important. We do not
Yes.
wake the ferocious girls up,
Mm-hmm.
or they could hurt us. I am going to win, my friend.
Oh, no.
I won, my friend. Oh my gosh.
Dude, you made a mess. Nacho, don't move your head.
Okay.
Don't move your head.
Do not move. Okay, my little orphan. It is time. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. You're okay. Oh. Did you get that on film?
Dude. Oh my
Hold on.
gosh.
Don't move. Are you okay? Oh my. Taste this, my little orphan. I need a towel. In Spanish, how do you say towel? Don't go like he say. Towel.
Dude, making a mess.
What, my little orphan?
What was that?
I got you something to lick.
Ah! Ah!
Here, you want some more, my young orphan? Open your mouth. Okay, you go back to sleep.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Got you some whipped cream.
Oh, it is a purple dog. It is a purple. Here you go, young orphan.
Clay loves this. It's low fat.
Oh, I'm sorry. Lo siento. In Spanish, that means I'm sorry. Just lay back down and go to bed on the whipped cream. It'll all be better for
Ready
you.
for more? Okay, here we go. I'll hook you up. It's good. It's low fat. There you go.
That is called a whipped cream sundae on Thursday morning.
Not good, huh?
We have brought a special holy woman for you. She has stuff to say. She does not speak English.
Yo no hablo tu idioma, pero estoy aquí para bendecirle.
In Spanish,
Quiero orar por usted. Ay, santo Dios, quiero bendecir a esa niña.
she says, be careful because Dale's legs in those short shorts will lead her to confessional. Amen.
Amén. Amén.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Some of you have been making fun of Nacho Mama, saying that his Spanish is no bueno. In Spanish, that means not good.
Bueno.
And I want to just tell you right now, you little orphans, I am fluent in the heavenly language. And just to show you what a great Spanish-speaking man I am going to rattle off some fluent Espanol for you to translate. And we'll see how much you know Spanish.
Sí.
Yo soy un mono de la jungla, yo no sé qué voy a hacer aquí. ¿Quién es ese gordo que está a mi lado? Yo nunca le he visto antes, pero mira sus aretes de diamante. Piensa que son diamantes, pero no son diamantes, son falsos. Qué feo. Este monito, oh, qué feo. Pero, ¿por qué? ¿Quién me puso ese traje? Yo no soy Superman, pero ¿quién me puso ese traje?
Wow.
No sé qué hago aquí. Quiero a mi mamá.
Let's go.